So pitfall traps at Institute of Urban Ecology, this is how we make them. It's very simple. You can make these at home yourself. We just get two plastic beverage cups like this. One's to hold the hole in place after you dig the hole, and the other one is the trap that you put in for insects like beetles to fall into, and then you can take the first piece out and without disturbing the hole you've made in the ground. And what we do is we screen the bottoms. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little piece of screening on the first cup, and on the second cup there's a hole, and these both allow water to drain through the trap if it happens to be really raining. If you're doing this and it's not raining, you don't need this. You can actually just put a single cup into the ground, and that works fine as well if you want to try doing this kind of trapping on your own. So we're going to show you how to install one of these traps right now, and we'll just go over this way. Okay, so we're going to install our pitfall trap now in a hole. I've already dug the hole just to make it a little bit easier here, but you dig a hole such that the trap goes into the hole and the top of the trap is just at the top of the surface of the soil. If it's not quite right and it's sticking up a bit, you can pack the soil a little bit around it. And you don't have to do this, but what we do when we install our traps for our projects is we take a styrofoam plate like this and we cover the trap and put wooden skewers into the ground just to protect it from rain a little bit. You don't want that to be covering the top of the trap, of course, but an inch or so off of the ground. And then in the evening, these beetles that forage at night will walk around and they'll fall into the trap and they'll be captured because apparently their feet don't work so well on plastic cups, so they're trapped. We don't use a killing fluid in our traps, we just do them live, and then we can identify and count them and release them on site without killing any beetles, okay?